Professor Stephen Ceci, a psychologist at Cornell University in the U.S., has taught his class the way he had for the past 20 years, replicating nearly everything imaginable. Same book, same lectures, same exams, even the same student demographics. One day, he joined other professors in a workshop taught by a media consultant. Each of the participating professors prepared a video of their lecture, and after watching the video, the consultant evaluated their lecture and advised them to change the lecture more expressively and passionately. He said to actively use gestures and to use his voice in various ways. However, the contents of the lecture were neither evaluated nor consulted. Only the lecture style was targeted. Ceci found a breakthrough through the workshop. He decided to change his gestures and vocalization as advised by the consultant, and he started his spring semester lecture with a changed style. The content of the lecture has not changed a bit from what has been done so far. What happened? His student ratings went up in every single category, even those that had nothing to do with enthusiasm. He was seen as more knowledgeable, more tolerant, more accessible, more organized. Students said they learned more. They felt the grading was fairer. They even said the textbook was better. Then how did this result come out? Experts say that confidence attitude is a decisive factor. Persuasion is not a function of intelligence, previous beliefs, views on issues, abilities, and fluent speech. It is a function of self-confidence expression. If you have a chance to give a lecture in front of others, try to be confident and not obsessive about the content. Pulitzer-prize winning poet William Carlos Williams said this: "It's not what you say that matters, but the manner in which you say it."